So with Tornadoes, it's essentially a 360 swing with a flag press with a forward lunge from the side. Sounds complicated, but I'll just do a few reps to show you what it looks like, and then I'll break it down. So we're gonna have our feet a little bit wider than usual, just because we're going to be dropping straight into a forward lunge from the side. So we're going to do our 360, so elbows tucked in, shoulders down and packed down. So we do our normal 360. And then this time, as we're going to bring it over the shoulder, I'm going to pivot both feet, slide that back leg out slightly, bring it into the rack position, and then we do our flag press from the side. So really hitting those quads hard. We come back to the standing position, and then we go over the other shoulder. Again, as we're coming over the shoulder, we pivot the feet, drop that back knee down, and then press it out from the body. So I'll just do a few reps now to show you what that looks like.